Hey, what is up, all you funnel hackers? Really quick, let me show you in this video how you can make a successful funnel, and it's super simple. Now, we have three main ways that you can make a successful funnel. First, utilizing our funnel library. Second thing is utilizing our design on demand feature. Or a third thing is you can clone another successful ClickFunnels funnel and you can paste that into your ClickFunnels editor. So first, to start, to show you the actual funnel library. So now over here, we have many different funnels over here, and we're constantly adding to it. So right now we have like 350, maybe 400 funnels on here. You can check the category you want. I usually use credit repair. I do a lot of marketing credit for companies, but let's say, for example, you like this accounting funnel over here, and say for some reason that's the one I want to use. So you go over here, you press go high level, and what that allows you to do is it automatically copies our link. You go over to here to your go high level account, you press add new step, and you import it straight from there. Just write test, whatever. And you can instantly import it into your go high level editor. Pretty simple. Now, this might take 1 or 2 minutes, depending on how intensive the funnel actually is. This one doesn't really have a lot on it, so it shouldn't take too long. Bam, just like that, it's on there right there. Now, what you can also do is say I don't have go high level, say I have ClickFunnels. So what you're gonna do is you press ClickFunnels, and take it over to a page right here, and you can instantly add the funnel onto your ClickFunnels. All you have to do is press add funnel. Pretty simple, right? Pretty cool. All right, that's a funnel library. Second thing is we actually have a design on demand feature. So let me show you this really quick in our Facebook group. So once you become a Funnel Hacker Lab member, you're going to get access to the Funnel Hacker Lab Facebook group. And how this works is we are constantly making new funnels, as you can tell by the massive funnel library. We made one over here, and one of our designers, Sumaya, she posted the actual funnel template on the Facebook group. This guy over here named Gary was like, how about a real estate one? And Sumaya was like, yeah, perfect, let's do it. Very next day, she made a real estate funnel right here. Came out pretty awesome. And what we were able to do is we tagged him on the post, and bam, just like that, he had a personalized funnel to his real estate company. He utilized that for his company. He's very grateful for it, and that's an amazing testimony. Third way is by utilizing our funnel cloner tool. So let me show you exactly how this works. So I just opened up my editor. I'm gonna go over to here to, let's press add a new step. Let's call it test, create funnel step. Okay, so now we're going to this other tab over here. What we typically tell everybody to do is I usually just do this. I go site, boom, and I look for CKFUNNELS.com and the keyword. So what that allows me to do is search within ClickFunnels. Then what I do is usually like, let's do credit repair. And now what this allows me to do is search within all the ClickFunnels and find a credit repair funnel. So go to this one over here. See if you like this one. All right, cool. This one, I mean, it's pretty plain, but this just uses an example just for time being. All right, let's go over here. Let's pick a random one. Select this template. Doesn't really matter. So we can change it momentarily. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to edit this page over here. And now we're going to take this page and literally 2 clicks. Right, take this page over here. We're going to copy this funnel. We're going to go over to here. We're going to go to our little tool and we're going to press paste funnel. Now, if you give it a couple of seconds, actually, that was instantly. And it instantly imports that landing page onto your editor so you can utilize yourself, change it up, obviously, to your business logo, your words, your copy, things like that. But instantly, you can have an already proven successful funnel that can be instantly pasted into your ClickFunnels editor. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, comment on this video or click the little blue icon and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you, and I'll see you at the top. That's the top up there, guys. I'll see you there. Peace out.